DS4. Right now we have a barn style hinge here. I'm gonna put up a door for my laundry area, so I decided to pick one up. So the camera kind of a little close in for this kind of view, né? But hopefully we could get a better view of it when it come out. The packaging itself, you can get it in frame. This phone I find doesn't really take that kind of good videos, especially when you change the distance on it. Kind of shows real bad. When you're doing that, what's holding it down there from coming out? Oh, now seeing that the side here, some things to come out as well. That side, in this side as well, go of it. So already by the door, already somewhere about there, and I decided to get the hinge for it. Let me see if I could clear back the camera a little bit, so you could get a better view. Let me see that is, and they back out here. They're the best you could get right now, but the quality does be a little bit much more terrible than normal. Manual, take a look at how to install it here. I never installed one before, so I'll need to rely on the manual here. This is how it looks. I'm here in the video. Yeah, so this could be the hinges and I'm welcome with it. They the sliding rail. They're showing some kind of door stop something there, and we'll just showing you all the measurements, how to drill the holes, put it up, with to put the part to stop it so that it wouldn't go further than you want it. Yeah, I think that's nice there. Show you some of the tools you need there to get it installed. So hopefully if we could get that installed. So let me see if we could get into some of the boxes here and see what it have. So we could zoom in for this. So let's see what accessories comes with it. Alright, some little plastic circles with screws. As I said, I never installed one before, so I really can't tell all you what is what right now. Some little kind of blocks with Allen key in it. I don't know if they have something to do with bomb stops or something. No idea. Some kind of roll or something there. Some holes in it. Some more screws and plugs, and these look like the main screws to the bracket. They are pretty long, so much inches, so 1, 2, 3, like 5 inches long, so a good depth inside here. Alright, put this away for the time being. We check out the other box and see what this one have. Starting off with some nut and bolts, it look like. Yeah, nut washers and really kind of nut with the end capped. I don't know what type it is called that. It can't go straight through. These are more nut and bolts here. And this pack. And this is the hinge here, spinning nice and easy. So these will be bolted onto the door itself, and this could be resting on the hinge roller to roll. We get them back inside here for now. And then we'll just have a next one there as well. Both sides of the door. Alright, seems like everything in that box. Let me get into the next box now. Final box. Alright, so this seems to have the part to slow it down, it look like. I think this does bounce in and push onto the door to stop it. And then there's push back out. So just hold the door to tell it not to slam. So it does kind of close in, hit this and slow it down, and then after this close in. And some other little bits. Seem to have two. Let's see. And I haven't really seen an arrow on it, so can't really see for sure. But it does come with the boat. So if you want to put it inside, you could. And if you want to put the door outside, you could as well, because it had the two parts there for it. What else we have here? We have the main track, which is just a long flat steel, and it's long enough so you could put it basically in any size doorway. I put it a 36-inch door, so this could be more than enough to put in. I need to even get a little cut to fit it in properly so it wouldn't be that long, because this could be too long for what I want. Yeah, so I basically all the parts. Alright, so we have the door in here. Got to put the hinge down to the bottom there. Well, not the hinge, the roller. We had also do some modifications on the roller. This roller was coming out before in an L shape, and I'd also cut it with a grinder and curve it in to fit here because of how the door was fitting and how it was lining up here. It would have been too far back and it didn't have much adjustments to do that. We put in the handles right there in it. We do still have to do some painting. And right now it's not going to close in, because it has some close right there. So it's kind of stopping it from closing in, but you can see it's still pulling in a little bit. That was the hinges I was telling all you about. Let me see what I could see the design of the door. Then there, so that is the design of the door. You will get a little gap in it here. If we didn't put the bracket how we did want it to put with the big long L, it would be too far off. And it's supposed to suck in there on its own. So you see that with the next hinge pulling it in, so you don't really have to slam it when you close it up to a certain point. See, I get it. Right, it does actually open out on its own, and when it almost closes the same way, it wouldn't slam. You actually see how it stop and look at finish sucking and close up properly. So you can see the part inside here. Look at right here, the same long bar. So let's go in there, and we'll let her one to the next end as well. Yeah, so finally get the glass in there, and it's sucking in nice and easy. TS4 out.